Hello everyone, this is Chef Malaka here, and today I'm going to show you how I made my family ultimate salad. First, I get fresh salad, prepare it, wash it really good because sometimes there's tiny some. Here in Italy, we brought them from bulk like that, just come from the ground. So rinse them really very well. You want to make sure that everything is rinsed out, and I also put some arugula. Now, get a big bowl, and you see me right there, just put it all the salad when you make sure that everything is all well drained. There's no soaking water on it. Everything is crunchy and looking green. I love green, okay? That's like just I love green. All right, so stack them up. And then because my kids sometimes they tend not to like the arugula. So I have to hide those arugulas inside. And I just go then and put all my rest of my vegetables. As you can see here, I put some carrots and also some cucumbers. Stack it whatever vegetable you like. I put some bell peppers. I put on my cucumbers. Whatever vegetable you like. That's why I like about salad. You can actually customize into your own likeness, and that's what makes salad so amazing and tasty, because you can come up with your own unique. Okay. And after I finished done that, because we are a fan right here of the color. For me, when I see things, the first thing I want to see how they look like, okay? So I go then, and also my husband loves tuna just like me. We crave tuna here. I guess we all, after we finish worked out, we crave tuna. So I will put some tuna over there just to give it that extra protein, okay? Even though later on you're gonna see me diesel some hemp seed, and just put how much you want. It's up to you. If you want to put the whole jar, hey, go for it, baby. Go do you, boo boo, because it's gonna be you and your stomach, okay? And I think I realized that, you know what? Let me go ahead and put some mint. Apparently, there's nothing delicious more when you put fresh mint into your salad. I promise you, try it and you will let me know. It's just amazing. It gives it to another extra. And right there is some, right here, you guys know I am here in Italy. I'm getting some good cheese. And I put some feta cheese that is already marinated on top of that salad. You know where I'm going with this. Scrumptious, just delicious. And I didn't stop right there, because this is like I call it, this is my ultimate. Put some crouton right there. This is my ultimate salad for my family, okay? And then put all of that everywhere, whatever, how much, it's up to you. And then we're going to make our homemade dressing. Very easy, lady. Very easy. Or lady and gentlemen, just some extra virgin olive oil, which I get it from Benin, which is right here. We are here in Italy, and we're getting the best of the best. I promise you, until you reach Italy, then you find out olive oil. Wherever we are in the States now, but this is the pure one. And for you guys, if you are wonders, I'm going to have some olive oil when I'm coming. So, and some lemon, just fresh lemon, squeeze that up. And how much is up to you. But right here, I think I have a half of the lemon, okay? Because I'm just making, this is enough for us. And I do some of the salt spices. Just a little something that I get here from Italian. It's very delicious. Just salt and bell pepper. Basically, that's what it is. And mix it really good. Sometimes they put herb, oregano or something. Mix it very good. Or it can be some of them mixed with garlic. You want to make sure that everything is well incorporated. And I like to taste, girl. Taste it and see how everything is. And don't worry, I'm going to give you the background of this video. You're able to watch it in detail also. And then after that, just what? We're going to diesel all of that into make sure that it's mixed very well though, because you don't want to have. And then what we're doing, just what? Hey, come baby. Gorgeous. Now we're going to go ahead and put some before I diesel that, I went and put some onions on top of my salad. If you are going to work and you don't have toothbrush, just well, don't worry about it. Diesel that all over. You want to make sure everything is well saturated, okay? And just everything on side, all right? And after that, we actually going to go in and bring it up again, and a ham seed, which is very delicious, okay? Ham seed is full of protein, guys. This is your add protein. Lady, we need more protein, so add some protein into your salad. And I'm telling you, this lady right here, she's gorgeous. She's ready to be eaten. I promise you, every bite counts.